Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to set up the SmartH Smart Alarm System. This includes a control panel, door or window sensors, motion detectors, and a remote control. Let's first put together the control panel. Remember to flip the switch so that it's on. This should be plugged into an outlet. If a power outage occurs, the battery inside can last for around 6 hours. Now, let's pair the control panel with your phone or tablet. First, if not done so already, we'll need to download the MySmartH mobile app, register an account, and log in according to the prompts. Make sure to read, then give the app permission to use these functions. Before pairing the device, we can first go to the Me tab in the bottom right corner and set up home information. Now, we can go back to the Home tab in the bottom left corner and press Add Device. Now we have to choose between two different pairing methods. If you have separated 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, or just have a 2.4 GHz network, then we'll choose Easy Mode. But if you have 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz combined into one SSID, then we'll choose AP Mode. First, I'll demonstrate AP Mode. We'll have to press and hold the Enroll button on the back of the panel until the light on the front of the panel is blinking slowly. The mode can be changed in the top right corner. We'll have to temporarily connect your phone or tablet to the device's hotspot. Its name should begin with Smart Life followed by a hyphen and 4 random characters. And now it should be connected. Now I'll demonstrate Easy Mode. After turning on the switch on the back of the control panel, the light on the front of the control panel should be blinking rapidly by default. This indicates that Easy Mode is selected. And now it should be connected again. Now let's set up the door or window sensors. To connect it to the control panel, we'll need to go to Accessories and press Add. Now we need to trigger the sensor, which can be done by separating the pieces. Now let's set up the motion detector. To connect it to the control panel, we'll need to go to Accessories and press Add again. Now we need to trigger the motion detector, which can be done by waving your hand in front of it. Now let's connect the remote control. We'll go to Accessories and press Add. Now we'll just need to press any button on the remote control. In the device's main interface's top right corner, we can rename it and assign it a location. We can rename the accessories as well. When there's people home during the day, we can have disarm mode selected. No sensors or detectors will be active normally. Only sensors or detectors that are assigned to the 24-hour zone will be active. When there's nobody home, we can have arm mode selected. All sensors and detectors will be active. When a sensor or detector is triggered, the alarm will sound and you will receive a notification on your phone. Then you can determine the most appropriate action. During the night when you're sleeping, you can have stay mode activated. Movement inside the house won't trigger the alarm, so it can still do things like grab a glass of water. But all other sensors will still be active. We can also set a schedule. And yeah, that's about it.